Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm in the fashion design program here at EVIT, and we have a few tips for you to save for the holiday season.
Tip 1 is tailoring your stuff. You don't always have to buy new stuff. You find like an old shirt, old shoes, you can take them to a tailor, get things fixed, resold, recobbled. Tip 2, go into thrift stores, consignment stores, antique shop. You can always find great stuff there for cheap. Tip number 3 is make stuff yourself. You could crochet, make jewelry out of beads.
Tip number 4, you can take old clothes or bed sheets and you can make them into pillowcases for your family members. Tip number 5, you can go in your closet or your family member's closet and look for old clothes, and you can try to upcycle those and make them the way that you want them to fit, and you can try to make patchwork out of them. Thank you so much for watching our video. Follow us at EVIT News for more updates and tips.